Hi friends, this is Shankan Nandi from Grow Media. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn about branding in YouTube. Branding plays a very crucial role in establishing your channel's brand identity. So we are going to learn three most important elements of branding. Number one, your channel logo. Number two is YouTube banner, and number three, video watermark. Now all these tools will be created using a free software called Canva, and I'm going to guide you step by step how you can create this channel arts using this free tool. This is going to be a very important lesson, and you must follow each and every step in order to create a good channel identity for your brand. Okay, so first we need to create the logo. So for this, we'll just go to canva.com and you can log in using your Gmail account. I've used my own Gmail account for logging in. After logging in, you just need to type logo, press enter. I'm using a free account, so I'll just click on all filters and select free and apply. Okay, now you see here you have all the free logos. These are already pre-installed templates, so you can use any one of them. It's for your choice. I think I like this one, so I'm going to use this. Just click here, click on customize this template. Okay, and now as you can see, all these this text, this image, and this everything is clickable and changeable. So I'll just click on this one and type the name of my channel, which is just use the caps lock, digital marketing, and I'll just stretch this horizontally so that this fits in one line, and just reduce the size by clicking on the corner and stretching it and bringing it and stretching it. Here again, I'll just make it a bit smaller. Okay, and I need to align it vertically. And as you can see, this digital marketing and better for you, these two are grouped together. So I need to click on ungroup so that you can individually change everything. So now I'll click on better for you. I'll double click here and I'll write here tutorials. I'll just increase the size of this and I'll again align this. Now this is vertically aligned. Yeah. So now I'm going to change the color of this digital marketing. I'll select this and click on text color, and I can use any of these colors. Let me just check which color looks good. You can do it as per your taste and choice, of course. I think I like this color pretty much. I'll just change the font to a more bold font, because then this will be visible. And if you want, you can keep this image, or you can just select this and press delete. So this will be deleted. I think I like this one, so I'll keep this font. Okay, so this looks good. So now I'll just click on share and I'll click on download. A PNG image will be downloaded. So this is your logo. I think this looks pretty good. Now you need to go to YouTube and click on sign in. I'll use the same Gmail account I had used for showing you how to create the account. So once you log inside this YouTube, just click on this D and go to your channel. And once you click on your channel, you get into this page. Click on customize channel. Go to branding. And here you can either upload your logo or you can upload a picture. So I'm going to upload the logo that we just created. Go to upload. And from the download folder, select the downloaded image, click on open. Now check the size. I think the size is perfect. Just click on done, and here your logo is added to your channel. And next we'll see how to upload the YouTube banner. Again, we'll go to Canva and do the same thing. Okay, so we are inside canva.com. Now you just need to click now you need to go to the search bar and click and type YouTube banner. Press enter. So you'll get all these templates. So since I'm using a free account, I'll just click on filters, scroll down, select free and apply. So now I'm going to get only the free templates. I think I like this one, so I'll select this and click on customize this template. I'm just going to delete this one, even this, and first I'm going to upload the logo that I just created. Go to upload files, select the logo that you just created, open. So here you can see your logo is getting uploaded. Once it is uploaded, just select and drag this over here. So your logo, you can see your logo here. Just drag it and position it in the center, both horizontally and vertically. So when you try to position, you can see these vertical lines appearing, which will show you, which will help you in understanding that this is vertically aligned. I'll just increase the size of this. Now I'm going to select this Be Informed Today and I'm going to type subscribe. Okay, wait here. I just increase the size of this. So select this and drag it. Now I'm also going to do one thing. I'm going to add one element which will act as a border. So I'll go to lines and shapes. I'm going to select this rectangle. Just place it here. Increase the size a bit. Yeah, and let me reduce the size vertically. Now as you can see, this color doesn't look that good, so just click here and select a color of your choice. I think I'll use a red color. Now this looks good. Okay, now just click on share and now click on download. A PNG image is downloaded. Okay, so now we need to go back to YouTube and go to banner image under branding, click upload, go to your downloads folder where you have just downloaded your banner, click on open. This is very important. See, on the when you click on this, when you just drag your mouse on this viewable on TV, so here you can see this entire thing is viewable. On desktop only this much is visible, and on all other devices only this much is visible. But as you can see on desktop, your logo is not completely visible. Okay, so you need to go back to Canva and resize your image, and now click on share and download. Now just go back to your channel customization, click on upload, select your banner that you just downloaded. Yeah, so once you upload this picture here, you can see on the TV this is how your image will appear, or your banner will appear. This is how your banner will appear on the desktop, and on all other devices this is how it will appear. So I think this looks okay. Just click on done and your banner is created. And now we are going to see how to upload the video watermark. Usually your company logo or a subscribe button is added in this place. So let us see how to add this one. So for this, just go to google.com and write subscribe without background. Okay, so now you get all these images and you can choose any of the image that you like. I think I'm going to use this image. This looks pretty good to me. So once you select this image, just right click and save image as. Okay, just save it. This will get saved in your download folder. Okay, so for uploading your YouTube watermark, let us go to Google and just type here subscribe transparent. So here you'll see many subscribe images. Let us choose a small image because YouTube mentions the size of the image as 150 by 150. Okay, let us use this image. Just right click here and press save image as. Click save. So this will get saved in your download folder. Now you need to go to background remover because most of these images are with background. So just go type background removal free, press enter, and the first link that you get, just click here. So here you need to upload that downloaded image. So I'll upload this image. Okay, and just click download. So now you have an image which is without the background. So go back to your YouTube channel, click on upload, and this is the one without the background. Click open and just click done. And here you can see your video watermark is uploaded. Now all the three elements of branding, which is your picture, your banner image and video watermark, is uploaded. After this, just click on publish, and here you can see changes published. Let us now view our channel, how this looks. So this is how your channel will look like. Digital marketing tutorials. This is your banner, this is your logo. You can see the watermark once you upload a video.